Good afternoon to you all. Dear student, yesterday we have discussed about importance of weather and climate in our daily life and how fluctuation in weather condition affect our food habits as well as wearing of clothes. We also discussed little bit about the term weather and climate. Now I am going to follow further your book lines related with weather and climate. Here is written, climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions. It means what? It means, dear student, whole weather phenomenon known as climate means every incident, event which happened regarding weather conditions commonly known as climate. Variations over a large area for a long period of times. It means what? Earlier we have studied sum total of weather condition known as climate. When same type of climatic condition prevails over an area for a long period of time, then it's refer climate. For example, Indian climate refers monsoonal type of climate because due to effect of monsoonal winds, seasonal winds which change their direction due to different heating and cooling rate of land and water bodies. So different type of air pressure generate over the earth's surface which cause blowing of winds from land to water, either from water to land, and during this phenomenon our Indian landmass receive good amount of rainfall, either moderate, either less. It's depend region to region. So here is written, variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years, because yesterday I have told you that above 30 years, 32, either 33 years datas related with weather attributes. Weather attributes means different element of the weather, like rate of precipitation, air pressure, direction of wind, cloud formation, temperature, humidity. These all are known as different attributes of weather. When we analyze on the basis of more than 30 years data, then we can recognize climate of any area. Now weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. State of weather, atmosphere over an area, state of atmosphere over an area. It means what? It means atmospheric conditions of an area at a particular time. Maybe the time afternoon, and atmospheric condition of an area is cloudy, which show in future same area might be going to receive some amount of rainfall. It's known as weather condition. The element of weather and climate are the same, but sum total of weather element condition is refers to climate, but the element of weather and climate are same. Element which responsible for the formation of weather condition, same elements are responsible for the formation of climate also, but overall phenomenon of weather conditions refers to the climate. Now here is written what are the basic element of weather and climates. Points are given, like first one is the temperature, second atmospheric pressure, third wind, fourth humidity, fifth precipitation. It means different form of water which we receive on the surface, commonly known as precipitations, like in the form of snowfall, rainfall, frost, dew, mist. These are the different form of precipitation. Now here is written, you may have observed that weather conditions fluctuate very often within a day. Weather conditions fluctuate within a day. It means within a day we observe that in our surrounding, day is the part of sunny, we receive a good amount of sunlight, as well as after 2 and 3 hours area going to covered under the cloudy conditions, and might be after 1 and 2 hours few amount of rainfall going to receive same area. So what we observe here, weather condition fluctuate, it means changes time to time. Now but there is some common pattern over a few week or month. Common pattern means what? Pattern means weather which going to follow for a week, for a month. Pattern is maybe the bright sign, pattern may be the rainy, pattern may be the increase high amount of humidity within the atmosphere. It is clear? That is, day are cool or hot. Same thing is here. Pattern is day are hot, either cool, for a week, for a month. Another, wind, air is windy, either calm. It means we realize that winds are blowing at a very fast rate, either very calm conditions form in the atmosphere. Cloudy, either brighty. It means cloud formation take place regularly, few moderate, either more, and rains going to happen near about per day. Might be the time duration of the rain is very low, either medium, either high. On the basis of generalized monthly atmospheric conditions, we are going to generalized, means what's going to happen in the atmosphere for a week, either for the month. Is the same area going to receive a high amount of rainfall? Is area going to fall in the bright sunny conditions? This one condition is known as the generalized monthly atmospheric conditions. The year is divided into the seasons. On what base? How we can going to divide year into seasons? On the basis of monthly atmospheric conditions. Winter seasons, summer seasons, either the rainy seasons. Now remaining paragraph we discuss in next video, because video shoot out up to the 11 minutes. Thank you.